Hi, my loves. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time stopping by, thank you very much. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. So, guys, it is your girl Viola, and in this video, I'm bringing to you guys another hair growth spray. This one is really effective. People have been giving testimonies concerning this one. So, this is a video on how to make the wonderful and amazing rosemary water. So guys, as you can see, this is what rosemary looks like. So I got a bowl of boiled water. Like, this water is really hot. So I added my rosemary leaves into it. These are the dried leaves. I added it into the hot water and I allowed it to sit till the next day. I added it in the night and I let it sit till the next day evening. So guys, this is my rosemary water after so many hours. You can see the water has changed color to show that the rosemary has really infused into the water. So guys, I'll go ahead and strain it out, and this is what the water looks like after I have strained it. I'll go ahead and transfer it into my spray bottle, and I'll show you guys how I apply it on my natural hair. So guys, I'm ready to apply the rosemary water on my hair. I made these cornrows a day before today, which is yesterday. So I'll be using this rosemary water on my hair for complete 2 weeks, and I'll come back and show you guys the results. I'll show you guys if it is actually worth it or not. I'll show you guys if this rosemary water is able to give me some inches. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like currently. So let's go ahead and spread the rosemary water on my natural hair. Guys, I make sure to saturate my hair with this water. I make sure that the water gets to every strand of my natural hair and also my scalp. Like, I also focus on my scalp because your hair grows out from your scalp. Moreover, guys, let me tell you all the benefits of rosemary water. Rosemary itself has antifungal and antibacterial properties, which helps to combat dandruff and also enhances natural hair growth. So guys, let's see if rosemary water is worth the hype after 14 days of using it. Okay, so subscribe to my channel so that you get notified when I drop the before and after video of this rosemary water. Okay, and if you haven't watched my other videos, please kindly go and watch them, and also don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also leave a comment in the comment section. Okay guys, after using the water on my hair, I went ahead to massage my scalp so that there will be an increase of blood flow, which promotes hair growth. As you can see, this is how to massage your hair. You don't scratch your hair, you move your scalp around like the way I'm doing. So right now my hair is fully saturated with the rosemary water. So see you guys after 14 days. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.